Hi, I'm Steve Bourie, author of the American Casino Guidebook.
And I'm Matt Bourie, and I'm the editor of the American Casino Guide book. And if you're not familiar with us, please be sure to visit our website at americancasinoguidebook.com.
A lot of times people ask us, what is our favorite game to play? And we always give the same answer. It's video poker. And there are a few reasons why we like this game so much.
It would be kind of hard to explain all these reasons in one video. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this down into a series of 4 videos, and we're calling it 4 Secrets to Win at Video Poker. In part 1, we'll explain how video poker differs from playing slot machines and why it's such a better game.
Yeah, and then in part 2, we're going to explain how to read pay tables in a casino, so you find the best paying games. Then part 3, we're going to teach you the expert strategies for playing any video poker game.
And finally, in part 4, we'll teach you how to find the best players clubs to give you the most benefits for the video poker play that you are putting in. So are you ready to learn all about video poker? Let's get started. All right, so this is part 4, where we're going to teach you how to analyze the different players clubs at different casinos and how to find out which casino offers the best comps for whatever it is that you're looking for that would give you the most value as a player. But before we start, I want to just throw out this little disclaimer here. We don't claim to be professional video poker players. We're just recreational gamblers who gamble a bit more often than most. And we like video poker because it offers the best value for our gambling dollar, and that's why we play it, and that's why we should tell everyone else that they should play it as well. I also want to say that it's very difficult to be a long-term winner on video poker, and there are very, very few people that can do it consistently. And those people who can do it consistently and make enough money to make a living at it, chances are that most of those people have found a flaw in a players club at a certain casino, and they use that to exploit that to make money in the long run.
Yeah, most people, they go to a casino to have fun, which is basically what we do. And we want to go to a casino and have fun and not have it cost us a lot of money. So we found that video poker offers us the best return for our gambling dollar, like Matt said, and we try to play a near break-even game, and we can definitely say that through the years, we have been very successful at it. Now, keep in mind that even if you find the best pay tables and use the proper strategies, you're expected to lose money on the game itself. But you can recover a lot of those losses by taking advantage of the benefits of the Players Club, because they are going to do things to encourage you to come back and play again. So they're going to send you offers for free play, which is free money to gamble with, free dining, free rooms, free gifts, different kind of gifts, and especially gift cards are very good because you can always take those to the store and buy what you want. Then you get free shows and more. So as a player, you should experiment with some different clubs to see which ones are going to offer you the best benefits for you.
Yeah, so for instance, if you're going to Vegas, you're going to want a casino that offers and play with a players club that offers a lot of free rooms. However, if you're playing at a local casino near you, the free rooms might not be as good for you, especially if the casino's right down the street. So then you'd want a casino that offers more along the lines of free play or dining credits or show tickets or anything like that. So we're about to explain how you can analyze all these different casinos and find the best one to give all of your play to so that you get the best value.
Okay, so let's say you have 3 casinos. Let's say you have 3 local casinos near where you live, and sometimes you go to Vegas and there's 3 casinos there. So you want to do a comparison of your 3 local casinos and then do a later comparison of your 3 Vegas casinos to which one is going to give you the best offers for your play. So how do you do this? How do you start? Well, you do it by doing some research and testing. You're going to do a lot of testing. So here's how you do it.
So this is going to require a little bit of legwork and a lot of patience. But before I get into this, I need to explain how players clubs work and how they figure out what they're going to send you. So players clubs, pretty much 90% of them are all, or almost all of them, are based on the casino's, what they call the theo, your theoretical value to them. Because the casino knows that sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose, but in the long run, they know they're going to make money. So they call it the theoretical house edge of what you're playing at. And based on how much play you give them in a set period of time, that's how much offers they send you. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to 3 casinos and give them the exact same amount of play on the same type of machine. And it all has to be done in one day. That's the caveat here. You got to make sure it's all done in one day. So let's say you have 3 different casinos near you. You're going to want to go to each casino and give them the exact same play. So go to each casino, give them $1,000 coin in. Now, this doesn't mean you're going to lose $1,000. This means that you're going to bet $1,000. So for example, if you're betting dollar video poker, $5 a spin, you're going to go and you're going to just bet 200 spins through. Doesn't matter if you win, doesn't matter if you lose, just go in, bet 200 spins through. You could also do it on quarter, which is $1.25 a spin, but it's going to take a bit longer. You're going to have to do 800 spins at that. So you go to casino 1 on the first day, you bet your $1,000 through. Hopefully you win money. The next day you go to casino 2, you bet your $1,000 through again. Again, hopefully you win money. And the same thing the following day, casino 3, and then you wait. And generally it takes about 2 months. So you do the 3 play at those 3 casinos. Then 2 months later, you'll get some offers in the mail from the casino. And then you just look at the offers and you see what is more valuable to you. One casino might only give you dining credits. You know, if you like going out for food, that's going to be great for you. Another casino might just give you free play, which is good because that's easier to turn into physical cash to put in your pocket. Because free play, you just have to play it through one time and then you can cash out the rest. And the third casino might only give you show tickets, you know, if they've got a big concert venue or something like that. So then that's pretty much what you do is you go and you put this test play in and you compare the values and the offers that you get from all 3 casinos and see which is going to be the best for you.
Okay, just to clarify further on what Matt said, though, one thing you have to be careful of is sometimes if you've already played at this casino before, the casino will factor that play into your current play. But usually if you wait about 6 months to clear out your old play, that's the best way to do this test. So you want to have a card that you haven't played in 6 months before you go into test. Otherwise, the amount you play on this day may be mixed in with your play from previous plays. Now, the other thing Matt said, it takes about 2 months. So basically what happens is, let's say you play on January the 15th. Well, what'll happen, and all casinos pretty much do this, on February the 1st, they're going to analyze all the accounts who played for the previous month, and they're going to figure out what they're worth to them and the offers that they want to send them. And then beginning March the 1st, they'll send them the offers in the mail. So you have that lag time in there. That's why we say 2 months. But if you start January the 1st or January the 30th, chances are all your offers are going to start coming in the mail 2 months later on March. So keep that in mind. Okay, the other thing to talk about is a bounce back. Sometimes when and not every casino will do it, but a lot of them do. They'll give you an initial bounce back offer. They say, okay, we saw you played the other day. Here's a bounce back offer of say $20 free. Don't go in and pick that up. Don't go in and play again. You can't do it because you would screw up what you're trying to do here. So you just want to go in and make that initial play, wait the 2 months and see what comes in the mail. And then you'll be able to compare all the offers and know which casino is giving you the best, because you're giving them all the exact same amount of play, and say, okay, so now I know which casino is giving me the best return of the things that I want for my play for the exact same amount of money played at these 3 casinos.
Now, the issue with this experiment you have to go do is you have to know exactly how much you put through. You don't want to go over, you don't want to go under, and you want to make sure that it's the exact same amount at every casino. And one issue is going to be keeping track of that. And the easiest way to do it is going to be just keep track of your Players Club points. And the amount of money that you have to put in for one Players Club point while playing video poker could be very different from one casino to another. You know, one casino, it could be $10 a point. Another casino, it could be $20 a point. Another casino, it could be $5 a point. So if you go to the first casino that you're doing your experiment at and you have to put through $10 to get 1 point playing video poker, in order to get to that $1,000, you know that once you've earned 100 points, you're at $1,000. You stop. You know, if it's $20 a point, you play until you get to 50 points and then you stop for that $1,000. If it's $5 a point at the third casino, you put through 200 points and then you stop. And that's how you know you got to that $1,000 coin in.
Now, every once in a while, you're going to find a players club that make it a little bit harder to track your play through the machine. Now, for example, there's one casino near us where you earn comp dollars for your play on the machine rather than points. So what you have to do in a case like that is you have to track your play through the machine by yourself. Like we said before, if you're playing $1, $5 a hand, you have to play 200 hands to reach the $1,000 through the machine. So you have to manually count that and keep track of it. So you know, once you put your 200 in, that's your $1,000. Now, if you're a $1.25 player, you got to do 4 times that. So you're going to have to put 800 hands. And if you're going, it might be a good idea to bring someone with you. So together you can count and check with each other to make sure you put the exact amount through that you need to do a proper test.
All right, so that does it for part 4 on comparing players clubs. Unfortunately, there's no easy way to do this, so you got to go in and get some good old-fashioned experimenting in on your part to get this all figured out. And once you do that, all you got to do is you couple this with the parts 1, 2, and 3, what we went over in those videos, which is to not play slot machines, start playing video poker. Find the best machines to play in a casino and make sure you play those games. And of course, to learn how to play those games correctly, you couple all 4 of these things together and then tied in with the benefits from the Players Club that should be able to bump you over that threshold to get above 100%. And when you do that, you'll be able to make money in the long run playing video poker. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click on the bell, and turn on all notifications so you never miss any of our other great videos.
Thanks again for watching, and best wishes for good luck in the casinos.